He opened it up.
Hang on a second. What's the objection?
Please.
Did,
Rephrase your question.
did Tim act independently of you and his responsibilities that you gave him?
Ask him how he acted rather than.
How did he carry out his responsibilities? Did he need direction from you?
Ask and answer, Your Honor, covered on direct and cross.
I'm gonna let him ask it.
Yes, he did carry out his, my instructions in the gun. I would give him several instructions, and he would do it on his time.
Whenever he got time to do it? Was it necessary for you to call him on a regular basis for him to carry out those responsibilities? Now, Bishop, did you really ever have any conversations with Timmy about his sexuality at all?
No.
Thank you.
May this witness be finally excused.
You can be.
Mr. Herrington, you're free to go. You're welcome to stay in the courtroom, whichever one you'd like to do, okay?
Suspended rest.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, let me ask this. State going to have any rebuttal? I'll give you a minute to think back. I want y'all, I got some more business I got to do. Don't go far. I'll get some more class. Go to the jury room this time. Don't form or express any opinions. Don't talk about the case. Is that door closed? All right, it is now. Mr. Herrington, I'm going to direct these comments to you again. If you'll recall at the break not long ago, I advised you that you had the right to testify in this case if you wanted to. If you do choose to testify, you'll be subject to cross-examination. If you choose not to testify, the jury will be instructed that the fact that you chose not to testify could not be used as any evidence of that you were guilty of any crime. I asked you at that time to be consulting with your attorneys and for you to make a decision. It would be your personal decision. It would not be your attorney's decisions, but your decision about whether you wish to testify or not testify. Have you had an opportunity to consult with your attorneys about that issue?
Yes, sir.
Have you reached a decision about the decision whether you wish to testify in this case or wish not to testify?
I have.
What is that decision?
I won't testify.
Okay, and you've consulted with your attorneys in that regard?
Correct.
That your understanding, Mr. Horan, as well?
That's correct.
All right. And at this time, the defense is rested, is that correct?
That's correct.
I'll ask the state, does the state have any rebuttal witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so we've heard all the testimony. All right, if you wish to renew your motion at this time, you may do so.
Your Honor, in a position that move again for directed verdict or in the form of a peremptory instruction to instruct the jury to find the defendant not guilty.
All right. I don't think there's been any significant change in the testimony from the time the state rested and the time the defense rested. For the reason stated in the record, at the conclusion of the case states in chief, the court is going to overrule your motion for directed verdict. How long is it going to, who all has filed jury instructions or intended to file jury instructions?
We do, Your Honor. We're working on a couple. I'd like to have a.
I'm open to suggestions.
Before we waste a lot of time.
I'm open to suggestions on how to handle this jury. Do you think we're going to get these jury instructions together, what time it is, and get this case to the jury at a reasonable time, or not?
I do not.
Your Honor, I have filed
Well, let me ask this. If we started right now, what time do you think we could have jury instructions together?
2 hours probably.
2 hours? You think we could have it ready to go to the jury? If we worked under the assumption we could have this matter ready to go to the jury at 5 o'clock, I'm not saying, I'm just saying if we could work under that assumptions, with the parties, the jury's not going home this afternoon anyway. They're either gonna be sitting in the jury room or sitting at the hotel or deliberating. Do you think we could put it to the jury this afternoon or not?
I don't think so.
I believe it's been a week and a half. I don't know about Mr. Moran, but we would probably both like the time to prepare to do the presentation for closing arguments in the morning and finish the jury instructions today, if that's possible.
I agree with that, John.
All right, I'm gonna send the jury, you've rested in front of the jury. I'll let the state finally rest in front of the jury. I'll send the jury back and have them back at 8:30 in the morning, being prepared to move forward with closing, reading the jury instructions and closing. Art, y'all got anything else I need? Anything I'm missing? All right. We ain't leaving till we get jury instructions, whenever that is.
I agree with that, John.
All right. Show the jury back in. Okay, it may be, we got one missing. Now we got two missing, because it's gonna be good. Now, that quick as Dana gets back, we'll bring them back in, okay?